Conditional sentences are fundamental to the English language. They allow us to express possibilities, consequences, and hypothetical situations. By understanding how to use conditional sentences, our communication becomes clearer, more precise, and nuanced. Essentially, conditional sentences are like if-then statements. They present a condition and its potential outcome. For instance, if it rains, I will stay home. Here, it rains is the condition, and I will stay home is the result. These sentences are crucial for expressing a wide range of ideas, from simple everyday occurrences to complex hypothetical scenarios. They add depth and flexibility to our language, making it more expressive and engaging. Mastering conditional sentences is an important step towards achieving fluency and accuracy in English. As we delve deeper into each type of conditional sentence, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of their structure and usage. Zero conditional sentences express general truths or facts that always hold true. They describe situations where if one thing happens, another thing will definitely occur as a result. The structure of a zero conditional sentence is simple. If, when, plus present simple. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. When water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. These sentences highlight an unchangeable cause and effect relationship. The condition always leads to the same result. Zero conditional sentences are often used in scientific explanations, instructions, and general statements about the world. They convey certainty and predictability. By using zero conditional sentences, we can express universal truths and natural laws in a concise and clear manner. First conditional sentences are used to talk about possible and likely future events. They express a real possibility that something will happen in the future, based on a specific condition. The structure of a first conditional sentence is as follows. If plus present simple will plus base verb. For instance, if it rains tomorrow, I will take an umbrella. If we leave now, we will catch the train. These sentences convey a sense of probability. The outcome is likely if the condition is met. However, there's still a chance that the condition might not be fulfilled. First conditional sentences are commonly used for making plans, predictions, warnings, and offers. They highlight a possible future event and its consequences. By understanding and using first conditional sentences, we can express future possibilities and make decisions based on potential outcomes. Second conditional sentences are used to talk about hypothetical or imaginary situations in the present or future. They express situations that are unlikely to happen but are still possible. The structure of a second conditional sentence is if plus past simple, would plus base verb. For example, if I won the lottery, I would travel the world. If I had more time, I would learn a new language. These sentences describe dreams, wishes, and improbable scenarios. The situations are often contrary to reality. Second conditional sentences allow us to explore alternative possibilities and imagine different outcomes. They are useful for expressing hypothetical desires and exploring unrealized potentials. By using second conditional sentences, we can step outside the realm of reality and explore imaginative scenarios and their potential consequences. Section 5. Unraveling third conditional sentences. Third conditional sentences are used to talk about past events that did not happen. They express hypothetical situations in the past and their imagined consequences. The structure of a third conditional sentence is if plus past perfect would have plus past participle. For instance, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. If we had left earlier, we would have avoided the traffic. These sentences explore alternative outcomes to past events. They often express regret, missed opportunities, or relief. Third conditional sentences allow us to reflect on past choices and consider different potential outcomes. By using third conditional sentences, we can analyze past events and contemplate how different actions might have led to alternative results. Section 6. Common mistakes with conditional sentences. While conditional sentences are essential for effective communication in English, learners often make mistakes when using them. One common error is using the wrong tense in the if clause or the main clause. Another frequent mistake is using will or would in the if clause when expressing a condition. Remember, these words are used in the main clause to describe the potential outcome. Incorrect word order can also lead to confusion. The position of the if clause and the main clause can be flexible, but it's important to maintain grammatical accuracy. Additionally, learners sometimes struggle with the correct use of punctuation in conditional sentences. Understanding when to use a comma and when to omit it is crucial for clear and grammatically correct writing. Section 7. Tips for using conditional sentences effectively. To improve your use of conditional sentences, consider these helpful tips. First, pay close attention to the tenses used in each clause. Remember the specific tense combinations for each type of conditional sentence. Practice identifying the different types of conditional sentences in both spoken and written English. The more you encounter them, the easier it becomes to recognize and use them correctly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different conditional sentences in your writing and speaking. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in using them accurately and effectively. Finally, seek feedback from fluent English speakers or language partners. They can help you identify and correct any errors in your use of conditional sentences. Section 8. The significance of mastering conditional sentences. Mastering conditional sentences is crucial for achieving fluency and accuracy in English. They allow us to express a wide range of ideas, from simple everyday occurrences to complex hypothetical scenarios. By using conditional sentences correctly, we enhance our clarity, precision, and expressiveness in communication. We can articulate possibilities, consequences, and hypothetical situations with ease. Moreover, a strong command of conditional sentences enables us to engage in more sophisticated discussions, understand complex texts, and express our thoughts and ideas with greater nuance. Ultimately, mastering conditional sentences empowers us to communicate effectively in a variety of contexts, whether it be in daily conversations, academic writing, or professional settings. Section 9. Conclusion. Conditional sentences, a key to fluent English. Conditional sentences are an indispensable tool for anyone learning or using the English language. By understanding the different types, structures, and common mistakes, we unlock a world of expressive possibilities. From zero conditional sentences expressing general truths to third conditional sentences exploring hypothetical pasts, each type plays a crucial role in our communication. As you continue your English language journey, make a conscious effort to incorporate conditional sentences into your speaking and writing. Embrace the nuances and complexities they offer, and watch your communication skills flourish. Remember, mastering conditional sentences is an ongoing process. With practice, patience, and a commitment to continuous improvement, you will gain confidence and proficiency in this essential aspect of English grammar.